Prendre.
Prendre is my verb
You
to take.
prendre.
To take. Prendre. Why? To take. C'est clair.
Take. Oui.
Prendre is my verb to take. Répétez après moi. Je prends.
Je prends.
Because we have S ending.
Je prends. You prends.
No.
Tu prends.
Why? Il, elle, we have
Elle
Why?
prend.
Nous prenons. Répétez après moi.
Nous prenons. Nous prenons.
Nous prenons. Nous prenons. What is this going on? Okay. Vous prenez. Répétez après moi.
Vous prenez.
Vous prenez. Why?
Vous prenez.
And il, elle, prennent. C'est clair.
Il, elle prend.
Répétez après moi. Je prends. Tu prends. Il, elle prend. Nous prenons. Vous prenez. Il, elle
prend.
C'est clair.
Oui.
Why? So if I ask you, c'est clair?
Oui.
Comprendre.
Comprendre. To understand.
To understand, but over here we have prendre. Prendre we have done, right? So it is just with prendre, if I will insert comprendre, that is to understand, and the conjugation is same. Je comprends.
Je comprends.
Why?
Je comprends.
Comprends.
Tu comprends.
C'est clair. Il, elle comprend. Why? Why?
Il, elle comprend. Yeah.
Nous comprenons. Can you do
Nous
that?
comprenons.
C'est clair.
Nous comprenons.
Nous
comprenons.
comprenons. Vous comprenez. And
Vous
il, elle prennent. Il, elle comprennent. C'est clair.
Il, elle comprend.
Yes.
Oui.
C'est clair. Now conjugate. Apprendre. Répétez après moi. Apprendre. Okay, let me write it down.
Apprendre.
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 It's a verb to learn. C'est clair. So
oui.
we have formula, remove RE. That is je.
Apprendre.
No. Because we have two vowel. So one vowel will be the apostrophe. So consonant and a vowel starting. That to be one sound. J'apprends. Répétez après moi. Tu apprends. Tu apprends. Tu apprends. C'est clair. Ouais. Il, elle apprend. C'est clair.
So here I have a question. Like tu apprends. So in the case of tu, we have vowel U, and apprend we have a vowel. So why we do like apostrophe?
Exactly. So it is just you have to understand tu, L will not get this formula. Only this is exception rules. C'est clair? Why? Okay.
Oui.
Nous apprenons, because there are some exception rules also which you have to follow, right? Vous apprenez, c'est clair.
Vous apprenez.
C'est clair. C'est clair. Why? And ils, elles apprennent.
Ils, elles apprennent.
C'est clair.
Oui.
So now this is basically like your verbs conjugation, which is very, very important for, right? Claire? C'est clair.
Oui.
Right?
Oui.
Now I will say, mademoiselle, partir. Répétez après moi. Partir.
Partir.
Répétez après moi. Partir.
Partir.
Which is very important.
Partir.
Which is very, very important verb. Partir. So partir is a verb to leave, basically. Répétez après moi. Partir. Répétez après moi, s'il vous plaît. So the moment you will do conjugation. Why? So what you will do? You will say, je pars. Répétez après moi. Je
pars.
Je pars. Tu pars.
Tu pars.
Il, elle part.
So why we remove T from here?
Sorry?
Why we remove T also here? Like
this is my
not a,
yes, exception verbs. Like we have done savoir,
okay.
glad. So these are my
Okay.
which you have to
Exception.
understand. Yes, glad. Why? C'est bien.
Oui. Oui.
Répète après moi. Je pars, tu pars, il, elle part, nous partons. Répète après moi. Nous partons.
Nous partons. Vous partez.
Nous partons. Claire. Vous partez. Vous partez. And il, elle.
Part.
C'est clair. Tell me yes or no.
Oui.
So partir is a verb to leave. C'est clair.
Oui.
So we have verb sortir. Sortir is a verb to go out. Répétez après moi. Sortir.
Sortir.
Is a verb to go out. Partir is a verb to leave. Sortir is a verb to go out. C'est clair. Tell me yes or no.
Oui. Oui.
The same conjugation of sortir and partir. Okay. And let me save my previous recordings. Yeah. Please be with me. Please be online. Yeah.
Oui.
Okay. So try now. Sortir. Okay. I saved the previous recording. So répétez après moi. Je sors. Répétez après moi. Je sors.
Je sors.
The same we have party.
You
part. So part.
This is also exception verb, right?
Yes, but we have a same. You know, like we have what I would say party. Tu sors. Je sors. Tu sors. Il, elle
sort.
C'est clair. Why?
Nous sortons.
Nous sortons.
Nous sortons.
Sortez. Why?
Vous sortez.
Il, elle sort.
Il, elle sort.
C'est clair. Répétez après moi. Je sors. Tu sors. Il, elle sort. Nous sortons. Vous sortez. Il, elle sort.
Sort. Yeah. Oui.
Why?
Claire.
Now, mademoiselle, I will give you some verbs, right? Now,
okay.
We have verb retourner.
Retourner.
Retourner is a verb to turn back. C'est clair? So can you conjugate? Typing error. Can you conjugate year-ending verb? That's a year-ending verb formula. Can you conjugate the verb retourner?
Yeah.
Conjugate.
Je retourne.
Je retourne.
Je retourne. Je retourne.
No, je retourne. Exactement. With E, right?
Yeah. ER, like ER goes with S. Yeah.
ER goes with E. ES. Je.
ES. Yeah. ES.
C'est clair?
Yeah. Oui.
Je
retourne.
Tu
retournes.
Now spelling is retourne is ending ES. Why?
Yes. Oh, yeah.
Okay. In L.
Return. ET.
C'est très bien. Why?
Oui.
Okay. So, nous
retournons.
O-N-S. S will not get pronounced.
Retournons. Okay.
Why? Vous.
Vous retournez.
C'est clair.
Easy. And elle retourne.
C'est clair.
Elle retourne.
C'est clair. Why?
Oui. Oui.
C'est clair. Okay. So, mademoiselle, very first day, you came to know the entire process of the verb. Tell me yes and no.
Wait.
Why? Now, I'm going to give you some verb. Now, for example, we have verb aimer. Why? We have verb aimer. Aimer is a verb to like. Aimer.
Aimer.
Now, if you want to conjugate aimer verb, verb with,
yep.
you know, I like, you like,
yeah.
Claire, why? Why? So what you will do? What you will do, Claire? Now,
yeah.
I'll explain to you, because there's a rule of learning verb, j'aime. Why j'aime? You tell me why j'aime. Because we have
two vowels together.
J'aime, tu aimes. Why? Il
aime.
Why? Nous aimons. Why?
Nous aimons.
C'est clair. Is it clear to you?
Nous aimons.
Vous aimez. Why? C'est clair.
Vous aimez. Oui.
Il, elles aiment. C'est clair. Tell me yes.
Il, elles aiment.
C'est clair?
Oui.
C'est clair, mademoiselle. C'est clair?
Clair. Clair.
Now, you understood entire verb which I have given to you?
Oui.
Now, mademoiselle, this is how the pattern works with present tense. C'est clair? Now, for example, we have verb adorer. Adorer. Adorer.
Adorer.
Is my verb to adorable, to love. Adorer. So I will say, j'adore.
J'adore.
Tu adores.
Tu adores. Elle adore.
Why?
Nous adorons.
Nous adorons. C'est très bien.
Nous adorons.
Why? Vous adorez.
Vous adorez.
C'est clair. And
elles
adorent.
Elles adorent.
Elles adorent. C'est clair. Tell me yes and no. Why?
Oui.
So, mademoiselle, we have a pratiquer. If I will say practice, pratiquer. Pratiquer, if I want to practice, I will say, je pratique, I practice. Why? Tu pratiques.
Je pratique.
Why? Can do that. Why?
Oui.
Elle pratique. Nous pratiquons.
Elle pratique. Nous pratiquons.
Vous pratiquez.
Vous pratiquez. Elle pratique.
It is not nous pratiquons. No. S would not get pronounced. Nous pratiquons. C'est clair. Why?
Nous pratiquons. Okay.
C'est clair, mademoiselle.
Oui.
Mademoiselle, what you have to do is now, we are going to share these 3 recordings in the next, I would say, few hours times. Why?
Okay. Okay.
You have to rewatch this recording again and again. Because
sure.
Obviously, every time there's a new verb for you. Faire, dire, savoir, until and unless you not rewatch it again, c'est très important to rewatch. C'est clair. Tell me yes or no.
Oui.
Why? Because they watch. Regarder. Tell me.
Regarder. Watch. To watch.
Regarder is a verb to look and to watch. So the conjugation is je regarde, tu regardes, E-E-S-E. C'est clair. Tell me yes.
Oui. Oui.
So mademoiselle, to the very first day, and I think that it should not get heavy more, because tomorrow we are going to jump on the past verbs, like how to conjugate past tense. Claire?
Okay.
For this, you have to do practice for these present verbs. Say Claire. Why?
Oui.
Why? So in the next, I think 1 and 2 hours time, you will get the recording in your WhatsApp in the same group. Okay.
Okay.
Recording because tomorrow we are going to do the past verbs and the past continuous verb. So tomorrow we'll cover up entire past verb, past continuous tense, present perfect tense, entire past tense will cover up. Say Claire.
Okay.
Why?
Wait.
Why? Say bien. So I hope you understood entire concept, mademoiselle. Why?
Yeah.
Vous comprenez toutes les choses? Why?
Wait.
You understood? You understand? Vous comprenez? You understand the entire thing? Why? Why, mademoiselle? So, then, on va se rencontrer, I'm saying, okay. Répétez après moi, rencontrer. Rencontrer is to meet. Rencontrer. Meeting, to meet. Why? So if I will say I meet, you meet, what I will say? Je rencontre, tu rencontres.
Je rencontre, tu rencontres.
Why?
Elle rencontre.
Nous
rencontrons.
Vous
rencontrez. Elle
rencontre. C'est clair. Why? C'est clair. Tell me yes or no.
Oui.
Why? So in that case, mademoiselle, you have to do practice, and tomorrow definitely will cover entire past activities. C'est bien?
Sure. Oui.
Okay. So how much you score, if I will ask about the scoring, how much you understood out of 10? 5, 6, 7% out of 10.
I understand like 10 by 10. Now it's up to me. I have to practice a lot more by myself so that I can put my everything tomorrow for the past.
Exactly.
It's like normal thing. If I know about the present, then definitely I can easily get to the past tense. But if I cannot practice today for the present, then it's gonna be hard for me for tomorrow.
Exactly. For this reason, we are not doing past abhi. Claire, I want to practice videos. So videos will help you out. The live session which we are going to share with you. Claire?
Yeah, sure. Oui.
So, au revoir. On va se rencontrer demain. We'll meet you tomorrow at the same time. À même heure. Why?
Oui.
Claire? Why?
Oui.
Au revoir. À bientôt. Take care. Why?
You too. Bye-bye.
Bye. Take care.
Bye.